roughly where I'm standing, a meme was created, one of the greatest memes of the noughties. The meme was created in the year 2000, but it really burst into the scene in 2007. How did that meme come about, and what does that mean? Well, the meme is the Techno Viking. Anyone that's familiar with techno and also the meme world know the Techno Viking. It all started here, on this street, heading that way. So how did it all begin? Well, the Techno Viking basically began here. It was kind of, some people believe the video was staged, but others believe it was a natural video. That it apparently started during the fuckfest or something like that. Excuse my language, I may have believed that, but it all started as we're walking along here. His sheer power, his sheer strength. Where did this guy come from? Did he come from Asgard? Was he some Norse god sent down to sort of behold techno and take it all in? Either way, one of the greatest memes. Say all hail the Techno Viking, almost 20 years on and the meme is still strong.